The message is not going. Should I reply now?
No, even. Okay. I got two answers as 0.6 and one answer as 3. Okay. So how many gave? Rahman gave, Garima gave, Shadab gave.
Sir,
Samat,
can you please
what's
take my answer as 3? Actually, I am
Three?
unable to reply you on chat.
Okay, okay. So okay, I got two members as 3 and two members as 0.6. So who's the tiebreaker? 1, 2, and who didn't give answer? Maz, you're the tiebreaker. You are in which side? 3 or a 0.6? Three. Okay. So majority says 3. So minorities, what you want to change your answer, or you're sure with your answer? Rahman and Garima, you two want to change your answer, or you're sure with your answer?
I'm sure with my answer.
Sure. Okay. Okay, let me check then. See, what we have, 1 pound equals to 0.45 kg. Okay, kg is less. That means when we have kg is lesser when it is 1 pound. That means 1 kg equals to how many pounds? Convert this. 1 divided by 0.45. We
100
have like,
divided by 45.
yeah. So like this, we have 1.36 kg. That means 1.36 divided by 0.45. So if you divide 1.36 and 45, sorry, 0.45, you will get around 45 3s are 135. So 3 point something
3.022.
2. So 3.02.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So whose question was this? I forgot. No, this is easy. Come on, anyone can answer. 1 picofarad equals to how many farad? Quick, quick. You can send me answer. You can say answer, whatever. 1 picofarad equals to?
So 10 to the power minus 12.
Minus 12, minus 6, minus 24, minus 18.
Minus 12. Sir.
Minus 12. Okay. Everyone, no doubt in this one, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're 11th student, right? So you don't know electric field and magnetic field, flux, capacity, capacitance. Okay, so no need for that. Do you know unit of capacitance?
No, sir.
Just now we discussed like farad. That's a unit.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, what's the symbol for farad?
F, capital F.
Thank you.
Whatever the scientist name, it will be capital. It will be in capital F. Okay. Let's do some conversion. If you need to know this conversion first. Maths required. So question, let me see actually how much you know to convert. 45 degree, 30 minutes. Convert this into decimals. How to convert? Decimal degrees. How to convert this?
Into decimal degrees. Should we tell it?
Yeah.
It will be 45.5 degrees.
Exactly. So how to get this?
Sir, 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 degrees.
Yeah,
We can find 30 minutes from it.
exactly. So 30 minutes by 60, which will give you a degree. That is half, means 0.5. So 40 plus, I'm sorry.
That's 45.
Yeah. 45 plus 0.5, which is 45.5. That is your decimal degree. Do everyone know this conversion? Or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I give you some question? Let's check. Convert 18.500 into
Into seconds.
yeah.
Sir, that 500 degrees, right? That is in degrees.
18.500.
Degrees, right?
They are in what?
Degrees.
Decimal degrees.
Okay.
Decimal. Convert this into sexagesimal form or system. So what we'll do here? Shadab?
Sir, will the answer be 66,600 seconds?
No, बच्चे नहीं, गलत है. Wrong. Shadab, what do you think?
Yes, sir. Um, Sir, would we convert it to the
Degree.
earlier form? Yes, degrees.
Previous form,
Yes,
previous
so
question
it would
form.
be 18 degrees and 30 again, right?
18
minutes.
degree 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes, it should be.
And then after that, what does the degree stand for here?
This is just 18 is a degree here. See this one, a degree.
Yeah, but what does degree stand for?
See, like this is your circle. Okay, circle has 360 degree, a dimension.
So you mean the angle degree?
Angle degree. So
Okay, I get it.
each has 360. That means 1 by 360th it is. So that is angle. So 1 degree equals to 1 by 360th of circle. 1 degree means 1 by 3/60 of okay.
So do we put in 18.5 in here? I mean, 18 degrees and then
18
30
degree,
minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
So how do we do this? Plus 0.5 into 60. That means you'll get 30. So if we remove this, it will be 18 degree, 30 minutes. Samarth, you got it?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I thought we had to convert into seconds, and 18.5 degrees it was. I thought that's why I did.
Oh, okay. We have to just convert into hexadecimal degrees.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not sure I quite understand this degree and then minute thing.
You didn't understood?
I mean, what topic is this?
See, this is a same like what are we studying, like basic units and dimensions, right?
Yeah.
We didn't start like dimension analysis. We are just studying those topics.
Yeah, I understand that. But the question you asked, we didn't come across degrees inside of a clock yet, right? I mean, degrees and then minutes, why are they next to each other? What does it represent?
No, this is just a conversion. We should know conversion. How to convert this is not required actually. We need to know conversion because see, these things we are discussing here, so that when we start our topics, actual topics, like later on we'll use this for, especially we will use this for like rotational motion. In that will require all these degrees. So that time I cannot come back to this topic and teach you, okay, how to solve these degrees.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
But why is, so we have a degree, okay, 18 degree.
Yeah.
And then why do we have 30 minutes next to it? What is that equal to?
That's what it means. If we want to convert 18.5 into degrees, so how do we do that? And if we want to convert this 45 degrees 30 minutes into decimals, depends upon requirement. In question, what we required, according to that, we will need to convert this.
Yeah, let's keep the question apart for some time. If
Yeah.
we just think about what it is, 45 degrees and then 30 minutes. So there's degrees and minutes next to each other.
Yeah,
How does that work?
I'll show you here. Okay, this is your center. This is approximately 90 degree. This is your 45 degree.
Yes.
Okay, so 45 degree, and what was the first part? 45 and half, right? So some more portion will be here, little bit more. This point shows it is 45 degree and 30 minutes, with some more portion. It is not 46 yet.
So basically half of that minute. Right?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, now I understand, because there was degrees and then minutes. So I thought minutes with respect to the entire clock.
No, not on that clock. It's a circle. Okay, that is what next is, like a circular system. Like if we draw here, actually these are a radians. We need to convert this into radians. You know how to convert this into radians? Let me directly check that.
Yeah,
Question.
the 5 by 1.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Yeah.
180.
So 1 radian equals to 180 degree by pi. So let's 2 pi by 3. Get me into degrees.
Sir, 120
Exactly. 120 degrees.
So 120.
Yes, 120. Everyone? 120?
Yes.
Easy?
Yes.
Okay. Then let me mix little bit. 120 degree, 25 minutes into radian.
So 1.5 approx
1.5.
radians.
Okay. How did you convert first of all? Tell me.
So 120 degrees are 120 into 1 by 4 degrees, and then we can convert it to 481 by 4 degrees. And when we divide it when we divide 180 by 481 by 4, we will get the answer. It would be 1.5 approx or 1.49 and something
1.49. Okay.
and something.
One second, please. Like you said, you divided 25 by
No, I didn't divide. Yeah, I did 25 by 100.
100.
No, 120 degree plus 25 by 100
Why 100?
because it's in minute. Sorry. Okay.
You
I
should
will convert.
60, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Sir,
Yeah.
so for this 120 degrees, and then it would become 25 by 60, which would be
Yes.
5 over 12 degrees.
Yeah.
So it's closer to 120 degrees still, right? So can we round it and write it as 2?
No, it will make a difference. No. Don't round it
Okay,
off.
so it needs to be specific.
Yeah. At least up to 2 or 3 decimals.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Mars, Karima, Eman. Okay, let me keep charging this. Charging my laptop. Okay.
There it's coming the same only 1.49.
Is it? Let me check calculation. Because in book answer is 2. Okay.
I don't know who had
Maybe
taken
see some
approximately.
book might be wrong. Doesn't matter. Let us check.
Yes, you.
Why 25 by 60? So 5 by 12. 5 by 12. 60, 48. I'm sorry, say again.
Nothing.
4-1. Oh, you said 4-1.
Yes.
Okay, 4-1. If we need some other decimals. 6. Okay. Let it be this much. Into 5 by 180. Cancel this. 3. Six. Okay, so around 3.14 divided by 0.6 approx.
It's coming 2.1 approx.
Yeah, I got somewhat 2.0.
Sir, I got
Yes. What do you got? What's your answer?
2.
2.
Yes.
So I got here 2.07 and so on. So I'll just take 2.07 radians.
Sir, can you repeat from the point where you multiplied them?
Yeah, I just divided this one.
So which one did you divide? 120.416 and 180?
Yeah, into 0.6.
Sir, we can multiply 120.416 into 3.14 and
And
then
then,
divide.
yeah, anyhow you do. So 120.416 divided by 180, I got it's approximately 0.6 something 6 in so many digits. Let it be. So multiply with 3 means approximately. Okay.
I got 2.1 something in as radians.
Yeah, actually that is the exact answer. 2.102 radians in a book. I got 2.07. If I round up, it will be 2.1. Done? Shall I scroll it? So I'll give you a small thing here. Then we can end this maths. This all standard things like 0 as 2 pi and 30 will be pi by 6. 45 will be, yes, by 4. And 60 will be
5 by 3.
pi by 3. And 90
5 by
pi
2.
by 2. Then after 90, what will come? What will be the number?
120.
120. It will be
It will be 5 by 2 plus 5 by 6 or 2 pi by 3.
2 pi by 3. Then 135 degree. 3 pi by 4.
3 pi by 4.
And 150 degree. Keep adding.
5 pi by 9. 5 by 8.
6.
6, sir. 180 divided. How will we get 6?
Keep adding.
Okay.
So keep adding this much.
Okay. Yeah. Done.
Then pi will be 180 degree. And so on. 27, 210. Then 225. 240. 270. 300, 315, 330, and so on. What your number be required? Okay, one question again. What? How do sine function, cosine function start? From where it starts?
Sir, you are talking about the ASTC rule.
Yeah. Just
Yeah. So
if I say
the,
y
all
equals
the things
to,
will be positive in the first quadrant. Second, sine and what one is the cosec will be positive in the second quadrant. Then cos tan and cot will be positive in the third, and the cos and the sec will be positive in the last fourth quadrant.
which quadrant? Fourth quadrant.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, if I say y equals to sine x, so from where it will start? 0 or before 0?
Are these sinusoidal functions?
Yeah. So it will be sinusoidal function. And for cos, it will start before. This is pi by 2, and this will be pi then. And so on. 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. This will be 5 pi by 2, and so on. 4 pi. Same goes for here. It will be pi by 2. And this is pi.
Minus pi by 2 you left.
No, this is pi. I'm talking about this.
No. Cos has started before only, right?
Yeah, it starts from here.
Yeah.
This condition. Minus pi by 2. Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Again, 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi.
Then 5 pi by 2.
Yeah. So in short, what we are finding here, sine is maximum at,
Pi by 2.
yeah, and cos is maximum at
In the pi intervals.
zeros and pi's and
Yeah.
all that. Right? Okay. So this thing we will use in next chapter, not now.
Is it vectors or something?
No.
Okay. Kinematics.
Yes. Kinematics in kinematics, I think it's the third chapter.
Yes, it is true.
Okay. Shall we start dimension analysis, or you want to know some mathematics before that? Are you thorough with mathematics, like vectors and integration differentiation formula? Or do you want me to revise? No, because
I
that after that,
learned that.
yeah. What are you saying?
I haven't learned that.
Say that? What are you saying? Go on.
Yes, sir.
You want me to revise those differentiation and integration?
Yes, I haven't actually learned that yet.
Oh, you haven't learned. Okay. Okay, I was assuming, like, I thought you have already learned those things. What about others?
Sir, I have completed those topics.
You are completed and
Yeah.
somewhat completed. Okay. And what about you? Yeah, Rahman?
I didn't complete, sir.
Okay. So let's do those things, because that is required. This maths required, because you will study this in mathematics, but it will be in later on stage. Like now you might be studying in set function and all that, not differentiation and integration.
Yeah, in schools they start that first.
What they started?
The sets and that one. They start that chapter first in school, according to NCERT.
Oh, okay. So I'm not going in so much detail because it will take so much time. We are not studying mathematics here. I'll just give you small things like formulas and how to use that formulas and why we are using formulas. So first of all, differentiation. Okay, so differentiation means like first, let's start with example. First one, d by dx. That means we are differentiating some function. Let's take function sine x. This is your function. We are differentiating this function with respect to x. So if we have x in that function, that means we can differentiate. If we write sine y and we write dy by dx, we cannot differentiate this. It will be equals to 0. Differentiation, in short, we are decreasing the values. And integration, we are increasing the values. Okay. So Samat, have you completed? That means you know what is differentiation? Tell me.
So differentiation is the value on which we find the difference between the first quantity and the second one.
Okay.
Or the
Yes.
initial and final.
Final. Then what is the difference between this and integration?
Sir, in integration, we integrate it from final to initial again. From the
Yeah.
differentiated product, we find the original product.
Original product.
Here we find from the initial, we go to the final.
Final product. Very good. Very good. So let's write some basic formulas here. Cos x.
Cos x.
Second one, d by dx.
Dx of cos x.
Cos x will be
Minus sin x.
sin x minus. Third one, d by
10x.
dx, 10x.
Sec square x.
Yes. Fourth,
D by dx of the cot x.
will be minus
Minus of cos x square x.
cosecant square x. These are standard formulas, which whatever we are writing. And see, what anyhow, we will convert everything into this term, whatever we know. With the basic trigonometry, we have studied basic trigonometry in 10th standard. So that those trigonometry like sine square plus cos square equals to 1, 1 minus sine square equals to sec square. Then sine A plus B, sine A cos B, cos A, sine B, those formulas. Do you remember, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you don't, then try to learn. Okay, those formulas. And because we need those formulas, we will use for conversion in this form, because whenever we are differentiating, we'll use with if it is some difficult differentiation, we have to convert into this form, which we know, which formulas we know. Fifth, d by dx.
Of sec x.
Yes.
Sec x 10x.
10x will sec x. Then same goes for cosec x.
Minus of cot x and cosec x.
See, if you guys find difficult to remember, so what you do, like keep writing here. Then when we are solving, just at least 1-2 times, if you see once or twice, if you see in the solve, then you will remember later. No need to like specially sit and remember all the formulas. If you keep practicing like some numericals and all that, we'll find out the answers. We'll remember by default. Now this was the direct function sec x. But now if we have a function in a function, like next one. No, but before that, we need to some standard value, 7th. D by dx of x to power n. Samarth, what will be the answer here?
Yeah, it would be n into x to the power n minus 1.
N minus 1. In our physics, we will not use a difficult form. We will use standard, mostly this one. We'll differentiate this one. That's it. And some formula which I wrote above. And some which I'm going to give you next. We're not going to use mixed function and all that. Might be required in like kinematics. Motion in parabolic motion and
Yeah, it is
two
required in
dimension.
that projectile
Dimension.
motion.
Yeah. Projectile and 2 dimension. That is projectile.
Yeah.
So, guys, are you all writing?
Yes, sir.
Everyone done? Shadab, Maz, Garima?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are standard formulas. Let's see how to use this. We'll do some maths numerical, like we'll solve it. We'll try solving something.
Sir, I think you didn't mention the formula of 1 by x and that.
It's similar form, right? 1 by x means x to power minus 1.
Yeah, 1 by 2 root x will be the derivative.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. We can leave that.
That's same, like it is just similar form of x to power n.
Yes.
So 8 d by dx log a base a x. So which is equals to
1 by x.
1 by x log a
Log a
e,
base e.
natural log. Similar way. Now this two, let's see how to use it. We'll see that. D by dx of log e x, that will be
1 by x only.
yeah. So how to get 1 by x? 1 by x equals to log
With
E-
log e base e equals
E-
to 1.
yes. This is equals to 1. That means 1 by x. Both are similar form, 8 and 9. And some these are log, and let's write some exponent.
So
D-
e to the power
Yeah, it will be same. There is no difference in this.
x, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do some question. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Before that, some rules required, right? As they don't know, so I have to give some rules. Now, first rule, I'll just tell you orally. When we are differentiating with some constant, like d by dx, k, function of x. So k is constant. It will be treated as constant common outside. So it will be k df by dx. So we will differentiate this function only. We will not do anything to that k. First rule. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, make it clear now itself. If yes, then yeah. If understood, then only say yes. If you didn't, I'll explain you again. Everyone? Shadab? Mars?
Yes, sir, got it. It's being multiplied in.
Yeah, at the end. After
Okay.
differentiating, we'll multiply if we require. If we don't require, we will not do anything.
And what about inside?
Inside in the sense?
Inside
Inside the function.
brackets, you wrote, right? K.
See this function, suppose if it is 2x square, this is your function. We'll treat 2 as a constant outside and we will just differentiate d by dx
Oh, okay, got
x
it.
square. Then we'll follow the formula, whatever it is. Now, sum of two functions means d by dx. This is constant. This is sum. F of x plus g of x. These are two functions. So we will differentiate those functions separately. It is in addition. But if it is in multiplication, we have to do something else. D by dx f plus d by dx of g. G means g of x, f means f of x. Is a function. And same goes with this both. If we combine this both, if I write here a of f of x plus b g of x. Same thing, we will make it a outside df by dx plus b dg by dx. Similar way. Means combination of first and second. These two rules clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then product. Samarth, what is product rule?
Sir, u dash plus v u dash.
Yes.
F dash x gx plus g x dash fx.
Yes. Or plus, not plus, sorry, product. Not able to erase this. Okay. It will be f dg by dx plus, means f we are keeping as constant, we are differentiating g. Then g we are keeping constant, we are differentiating f. That's what it means. First term, what we are doing, we are differentiating g. We are keeping f constant. Plus, we are keeping g constant, we are differentiating f. See, either way, this can be placed here, this can be placed here, because there is not a negative sign here, so no problem. It won't make a much difference. Clear with product rule? See, mostly these few rules we are going to use. Product rule, then quotient rule, that is different, or division rule. Quotient rule or division rule. Samarth?
Yes, sir. Sir, the division rule will be d by dx of u by v will be equal to v u dash minus u v dash divided by uv.
UV. Is it UV? Divided
It
by?
will be v square, sir.
Ah. Okay. You guys are not tired, right? Do you have any other class today? For what? Today's
Sir, we have match on 8 p.m.
8 p.m. right? Okay. Then let me end with this one. For this. Okay, so G differentiate, keep constant as G, will differentiate F with respect to dx, and F constant dg by dx divided by what? G square, not GF. It is G square. And next, last one, which is most important, which is chain rule. We have function like this. F is a function and T is a function like that, if you want to use it. So df by dx and dx by dt. This is your change function. If you want to find df by dt, so what we'll do, generally we will use this when we are finding acceleration and velocity and all that. df
So
by
what is that? df by dx and
dt. Now, if I give you an example, this is what dA by dt means. A is acceleration with respect to time. So I cannot find directly. So what will I do? dA by dv or dv by, like this is v, if it is dv by ds and ds by dt. So this will be your displacement and this will be your acceleration, like that. Means directly we cannot find out. So we will use chain rule. We will use chain rule. Yes, boy. Samarth, you saying something?
Can we do it through U and V? Actually, that's better
Yeah, I just
and
use
simple
G
than
and F. Doesn't
FX and
matter.
GX.
Doesn't matter. See, these are just
Yes, yeah, it's the same thing on the real video.
yeah. It is just a thing, like we will not write this formula in your during your class. We'll just directly use it. There will be some other term actually. These are standard form. Okay, this is chain rule. Yeah, as you asked, this is a chain rule. We will use it.